All right. Welcome, everyone, to our next Tech Equity event. We are so happy to have you all here. Thank all of you. Our event has become one of the top and hottest event in San Francisco. Thank you your support of this event this year. So we have many registrations. Can you hear me now? Okay, perfect. So thank you so much for your contribution coming from different part of this Silicon Valley to this event. We are honored and very happy to have support of Snowflake team. Thank you so much to Snowflake to hosting us here and sponsoring us for this very important gathering. We have a few slides. I want to introduce our organization, TechEquity AI, and then I'm going to have Chad from Snowflake to give us a brief introduction about this amazing new center. And after that, we're going to have Dave Nielsen to start the program today. Thank you. Chad, please. A round of applause for Chad, please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Thanks so much. Hi, everyone. Welcome out to Silicon Valley AI Hub. My name's Chad Chalker. I lead our programming and partnerships here at Snowflake at the Silicon Valley AI Hub. So we just opened up this space back in September of last year. Really and truly what we're trying to do here is create a community of AI practitioners right here in Silicon Valley. So we have three target audiences that we kind of build programming around. That's developers, startups, and executives all within the AI space. So we have our newsletter that we send out monthly. So we'd love for you to join that. You can stay up to date on all of our events that we host by joining our newsletter or our LinkedIn group. We just send out one newsletter a month, so we promise to not spam you. And then our website, we keep our website up to date as well. Tomorrow we have a Snowflake Intelligence hands-on lab happening here from 1 to 4. So if you would like to come to that, please do so. We have events. We usually have about 2 to 3 events a week, all within AI. So similar to the event tonight, presentations, panel discussions. We do hackathons. So we're hosting a hackathon with Llama Lounge, Crew AI, Compazio, and Skyfire at the end of this month. We're actually announcing that tomorrow. So you get a sneak peek of that announcement tonight. So thanks for coming out. A few housekeeping items. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention too about Snowflake for Startups. So not only do we host events here, on the other side, we have a co-working space where startups are able to co-work from the Silicon Valley AI Hub Monday through Friday from 8 to 6 p.m. So if you would like to learn more about Snowflake for Startups and our program that we have an accelerator program, we have a VC community and a startups program with a $1 million challenge that we're doing right now. So startups can join our startup challenge that we do annually for a chance to win $1 million. So scan the QR code for all of our startup programs and accelerators that we offer here at Snowflake. A few housekeeping items. So the password for the Wi-Fi is here. It's also on your badges. So yes. You come to our events and you might be featured on a slide. So this is our Wi-Fi. Restrooms are down here on the hallway, halfway down to your left. We also have an overflow room. So if you go all the way down the hallway, there's, I think, around 10 or 20 chairs still available. So if you would like a seat, we'll have the same programming just live streamed into that room. So if you would like a seat, there are seats in that room. So help yourself. And then I think around 7:20 when we do the 2 workshops, one workshop will be down there, one will be in here. So I think that is all I have. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you, the TechEquity AI team. It's been great partnering with you all and look forward to many events to come in the future. So thank you. Welcome.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Chad, again, for a warm welcoming. We're very excited to be here. And very quickly, a little bit about us. We're TechEquity AI. We are a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to democratize AI to bring the knowledge and applications to everyone. We're here to build a global collaborative ecosystem together, no matter you're from corporate, startups, investors, academia, or community. Everyone is welcome to come, whether you're AI leaders, developers, researchers, practitioners. We will love to have you to join our different programming throughout the years. We are a vendor neutral platform, meaning we're here to feature many different, whether it's big corporations, AI startups, and different voices to our different programs. We have our flagship event, which is the AI Summit, which is happening normally during the fall. And also we have different educational programs. As you will see today, we have AI agents workshop throughout the year, and also integrated into our monthly events. And we're really here to connect local startups and companies with the global world. And we're here to all learn and interact together. And for the past 2 years, we've been hosting different AI summits in the Silicon Valley. In spring, we're in Synopsys, where we kicked off our first AI summit. And we're also in Computer History Museum. Last year, we had a 2-day summit at the Plug and Play Tech Center, where it had over 2,000 audience over the 2 days. And we have great speakers joining us last year. On one end, we have Google, NVIDIA, Meta, Microsoft sharing their perspectives. And we also have leaders, C-suite leaders from startup companies in AI to share how AI empower their products and services. And we also have great numbers of members from academia, whether administrators, professors, and researchers to join our platform as well. And we're very thankful for our different contributors to make it happen, especially Snowflake for our series this year, and also along with other sponsors, exhibitors, donors, partners, and media. If you want to be engaged with us, we also have QR code around where you can scan and let us know how you would like to work with us or talk to us right after. We have great testimonials from our great past speakers, collaborators, and partners. And these are some of the feature sessions that you will see throughout the years. We have community events like this, technical workshops, global network. We'll be also introducing and welcoming different international startups to join our programs. And this is the most exciting part. We will be kicking off our monthly series, and this is a QR code leads you to our Luma calendar page. And I know we actually have more than 200 people on waitlist to want to be in here in person today. So sign up later for the topics that that interest you, and we will love to host you here at the Silicon Valley AI Hubs. And without further ado, again, thanks to all of your help. Our event was actually featured in the Luma feature in San Francisco. We have many folks actually flying over just for this. So thank you so much for making it happen. And without further ado, I will give it up to Dave. And thanks again for Meta team and Snowflake team to make it happen today. And Mahan.
Just wanted to thank our speakers and workshop performers tonight from Snowflake and Meta Super Intelligent Lab. That's a great honor to have you join us for this event. And I want to hand it to Dave, our tech chair. So he's a content tech chair, and he is more than a friend and community man. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you. I will be quick. But I just want to, one more time, put our hands together for Sheena and Mahan. They've done a really nice job of putting this event together. They are real professionals. They're very quiet and really don't promote themselves at all. They really need a little bit more. So I'm going to do it one more time. Let's give them a round of applause for really doing a nice job. Yeah. Okay. And also just to the Snowflake, I know we've already thanked them again, but I'm just going to thank them even more. The Snowflake folks, especially Chad over there and the rest of the crew, there's a bunch of them here. This is a lot of work to put these things on, and really, it's really largely due to this beautiful space that we can even hold all of you. So thank you again to the Snowflake folks. Okay, real quick. My name is Dave Nielsen. I have run large numbers of events over the years, and I usually run community events. It's sort of my favorite thing to do. And today, and so my role in all of this is to help with the content side of things. So what that means is, when Sheena and Mahan have sponsors that they want to help us with the event, or speakers, I help them figure out, what should we talk about, should they be a speaker, that kind of thing. And this time I didn't have to do too much because, I mean, we had great speakers just right out of the gate. So my job is really easy, but I am also helping to put together the workshop side of this. And because of the numbers of people who register for this event, we decided to add a second workshop. So for those of you who registered early, you may not have seen, but in addition to the workshop that Sanyam from Meta is going to be doing on reinforcement learning in the other workshop room at the end of the hall there. We are also adding a sort of a agent builder workshop. It's a kind of an intro to agent if you're a developer workshop that will be in this room with Mike Prince right over here and some support from some other friends. So those are the two options you have for after the two keynotes. I hope you'll stick around if you're technical for those. Even if you're not, if there's room, please stick around. It should be high quality content. Yeah. All right. Very good. All right. So without further ado, I want to turn it over and get our talks going. And we'll start off with Sanyam from Meta. And then after that will be Oktay from Snowflake. Let's go.